This presentation is going to be a review of mood. So one of the very famous sort of mood setting phrases we have is, "It was a dark and stormy night." Immediately, that phrase gives us an idea of what might be coming, because if it's a dark and stormy night, we expect certain things that we wouldn't expect when it's a beautiful sunny day. Maybe there might be monsters or a murder or something scary that's going to happen. Mood is the feeling that the reader gets from reading the story. It's the atmosphere that's created by the author's word choice. So the author can create positive moods like feeling optimistic, peaceful, playful, determined, or the author can create negative moods. They can use language to let us know that the characters are feeling depressed, jealous, lonely, confused, and they really do this by the choice of the words that they use. Let's look at an example. An ordinary walk can have two very different moods or feelings based on the language the author uses. So sentence number 1, the sun was finally shining and the last puddles on the sidewalk were starting to vanish as Jane made her way toward the bus stop. So there's nothing really scary here. The sun has finally come out. Seems like maybe it's been raining because it says there's puddles on the sidewalk. Let's look at sentence number 2. Even though the rain had stopped, the day still felt dark, as though someone had forgotten to turn on the sun. Jane shivered inside her jacket and walked just a bit faster toward the bus stop. Sentence number 2 has a much darker tone to it. Sentence number 1 could be any day, anywhere, much like now where it's been raining for a long time. The sun finally comes out and you're happy to go outside, but there's a few puddles. You don't feel scared of anything. You don't worry that something is going to happen. But sentence number 2, the day still feels a little bit dark. The sun hasn't quite come out. And something about that day is making Jane shiver inside of her jacket and walk faster. This use of language is letting you know as a reader that maybe something bad is going to happen. Maybe there's something not quite right going on. Just by picking words very carefully, the author can let us know that there's something we should be prepared for. This isn't just a normal sunny day or just a normal walk to the bus stop. Hopefully this has helped you guys a little bit to remember about mood, and have a great day.